Hi there, I'm Sally, and I want to talk to you today about muscle cramps and what you can do to help alleviate those. And the kind of muscle cramps that I'm talking about are like what you would call Charlie horses in your legs. You know, you're laying there in the bed, you're sleeping like a baby, and then all of a sudden your calf or something just goes like that, and you can't even straighten it out. And it's the worst pain that you probably ever even had, and then you're sore for weeks and weeks even afterwards. So that's what I'm talking about. And I will tell you that what I do, I haven't had any issues with that type of pain in years because I started taking magnesium, okay? And I take the magnesium before I go to bed at night. Two reasons. It relaxes me a little bit, so it helps me fall asleep. Second reason is because I would get the muscle cramps when I was asleep. So it made sense, take it before bed. If you try magnesium and you're still having muscle cramps, maybe consider taking some magnesium with potassium in it. Now, I'm not a doctor, I can't prescribe it, and you should certainly talk to your doctor before you take any supplements, obviously. And you especially want to be careful with potassium because potassium is really, really dangerous if you take too much potassium, okay? So if I were to get a product like this, I would take it as it says to take it on the bottle, okay? I mean, you know, like there's some things that you can play around with and take a little extra of. It's not one. I would stick with the amount that it says to take on the bottle. All right, so potassium helps keep your nerves and your muscles working properly. And when you don't have enough potassium, you certainly can start to have cramps, muscle aches, those types of things. Magnesium helps put potassium in the cell, okay? Most of us are not deficient in potassium. The majority of us get a lot of potassium in our food, but we are deficient in magnesium. Magnesium, we just don't have as much in our soil anymore. We use it for so many purposes in our bodies that we don't get it in our water supply like we used to many moons ago. You know, we're all drinking filtered water, bottled water, whatever. We're just not getting enough magnesium, and we use the heck out of it. So that's why I would say start with the magnesium. If that doesn't work, then consider adding a combination of magnesium and potassium. And of course, drink a lot of water and make sure that you are detoxing occasionally. I'm a big believer in detoxing because I think that when we get toxins built up in our bodies, things just don't work as well. And in our daily environment that we live in with, you know, toxins in the food and the water, it's easy to get. We all kind of need a little detox once or twice a year. Anyway, I hope that you're doing well, and thank you for watching. Good luck on your health journey.